welcome to Tirana, capital city of Albania. Taki on the house. Cheers. Strong. So good morning guys, and welcome to the hustle and bustle here in Tirana. It's a very lovely day and it's beautiful weather. We arrived yesterday evening. Today is a full day of exploring the city. Don't know what to expect, but yeah, looks pretty good actually. So we are right now at the famous Skanderbeg Square. It's the main plaza in the center of Tirana, and it's named after the Albanian national hero Gjirgji Kastrioti Skanderbeg. I don't know the name, I have to Google it. The total area is about 40,000 square meters, and the Skanderbeg monument dominates this square. And right here is the opera, and there are a few cafes, and this is like the center.
The Cloud. It's an art project and you can climb on it. It's cool.
You will recognize that there's one thing very important, and this is the Mercedes. So the Mercedes here in Albania is like the Big Mac in America or the beer in Germany, whatever. So you will see so many Mercedes here. Never seen so many in my whole life. So yeah, Mercedes is the thing here. Probably every third car is one, so I would say 70% Mercedes. We arrived here at the Grand Park of Tirana, which is like a huge park, a very huge park with a lake, zoo, botanical garden here in the city center of Tirana. So it's like yeah, a very beautiful green lung. It's a 289 acres huge park. Till now one of my favorite parts here in the city. It took us about 1.5 hours to go around the whole lake here in the park. You can also rent yourself a few bikes and go around. Don't know exactly the price. Don't be lazy guys. Take a walk. Very beautiful here at the lake in the Grand Park of Tirana. What's up guys, and welcome to the Millennium Garden. Having a beautiful culture beer, a mojito, and just enjoying the day. A lovely place to come to. I think in summer it can get really busy. I've seen the food and it looks very good. Drinks are also very good. Compared to other restaurants here in Tirana, it's a little bit more expensive, but a very lovely place here in Tirana. raki on the house. I don't know how to say cheers in Albanian. Maybe you can tell me. So cheers. Strong, very strong, but very good. So guys, it was really lovely. Put this on your bucket list when you're in Tirana. Oda Garden in the middle of Tirana. Very traditional and a small menu, but very good. We paid for everything 16 euros with raki on the house. Oda Garden, highly recommended, and definitely a very cool place to come to if you're looking for a good restaurant here in Tirana. On to the next.